Very good morning student. Today we taking exercise number 1.5 NCERT chapter number 1 class 9th mathematics. I am Asim Kumar Mandal as a representative of Santipani Higher Secondary School Rajoda. In the case of the exercise number 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 and 1.4 we solve the different type of question based on the number line, representation of the number line, some representation of the irrational number on the number line just like a root 2, root 3 and root 5. But in the case of the exercise number 1.5 we have to solve different type of expression based on root. That means 3 plus root 3 multiply by 2 plus root 2, 3 plus root 3 multiply by 3 minus root 3. In this type of question we use two type of techniques. Both techniques are there, multiplication and identity. Question number second, simplification. What is the meaning of the simplification? That means a solve till last. Simplification each of the following expression, question number first, question number second, question number third and question number fourth. Student, just watch out question number first. 3 plus root 3 multiply by 2 plus root 2. Here how many brackets are there? 2 brackets are there. First bracket multiply by second bracket. How many members in the first bracket? 2 members. 3 and root 3. Firstly 3 multiply by whole. 3 multiply by second bracket, then root 3 multiply by second bracket. Student, just focus on question number first of question number second. 3 multiply by 2 and 3 multiply by root 2 such that 3 2 ja 6 and 3 multiply by root 2. The category of 3 and the category of root 2 both are different, so simply we write 3 root 2. But in the case 2 and root 3, what is the signature of root 3? Plus. So root 3 into 2, that means a 2 root 3. Root 3 and root 2 will be equivalent of 3 2 ja 6, that means a root 6. Now multiplication operation will be complete. Now taking addition between the numbers, same category. Firstly search the same category, a single number 6. Now root quantity, root 2 and root 3 both are different, so just like similar 3 root 2 and 2 write 3 and root 6 is a single. ठीक है, root 6, root 3 and root 2 both are the different category members, so doesn't add between the operations, so answer will be there. Now question number second. 3 plus root 3 and 3 minus root 3. Two types of techniques are there, multiplication and identity. Now we select identity a plus b, a minus b. A plus b, a minus b will be equal of a square minus b square such that 3 square minus root 3 square. Square will be cancel out. Square will be cancel out. Square will be cancel out. Now 3 minus 3. What is the meaning of the 3 minus 3? 3 square, that means a 9 minus 3 will be equal of 6. Student, now question number third of question number second, root 5 plus root 2 whole square. What is the mean of root 5 plus root 2 whole square? That means our identity a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square, that means a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now what is the mean of the a? A will be equivalent of root 5 and b will be equivalent of root 2 such that a square, that means a root 5 square plus root 2 square plus 2 root 5 root 2. Square cancel by root, that means a 5 plus 2 plus 2. Root 5 into root 2 will be equal of root 10. Same category members, 5 plus 2 will be equal of 7. Both are different category, so cancel out. Now question number fourth. Root 5 minus root 2 and same thing between the opposite signature, that means a negative and positive. So a minus b and a plus b. A minus b, a plus b will be equal of a square minus b square, where a will be equal of root 5 and b will be equal of root 2. So required solution will be root 5 square minus root 2 square. Square cancel by root, that means 5 minus 2. What is the mean of the 5 minus 2? Will be equal of 3. I hope student, okay, question number first, second, third, fourth of question number 2 complete. Student, question number 5th of exercise number 1.5. Demand of question, rationalize the denominator. That means only best denominator. We can't do rationalization of numerator. Now question number 6, first 1 by root 7. Question number second, 1 upon में root 7 minus root 6. Question number third, 1 upon में root 5 plus root 2. And question number fourth of question number 5 is 1 upon में root 7 minus 2. So we solve from the question number first. 1 upon में root 7, 1 by root 7 ROD, that means a rationalization of denominator. 1 by root 7. Now multiply and divide by root 7. Numerator will be multiplied by numerator and denominator will be multiplied by denominator, such that 1 multiplied by root 7. Quantity multiplied by 1 will be equal of quantity, any type of quantity. So 1 into root 7 will be equal of root 7, and downward as a denominator root 7 multiplied by root 7. We know that the property when same number of root multiplied by same number of root will be cancelled out from root, and we getting the single quantity in the form of number. So root 7 into root 7 will be equal of 7. I hope answer will be correct. Now question number second, 1 upon में root 7, 1 by root 7 minus root 6, and the condition demand of question rationalize the denominator, that means a ROD. What is the mean of the ROD? A single statement. Single statement, that means the mid value. The mid value will be changed. What is the mid value between the root 7 and root 6? Negative. So as a result we getting positive. Students, what happened? Numerator will be multiplied by numerator and denominator will be multiplied by denominator. So 1 multiplied by root 7 plus root 6. But in the case of the denominator, root 7 minus root 6, root 7 minus root 6 multiplied by root 7 plus root 6. A minus b multiplied by a plus b, a minus b multiplied by a plus b, that means a square minus b square, where a will be equivalent of root 7 and b will be equivalent of root 6. Now we can write 1 into quantity will be equal of quantity, such that numerator in the form root 7 plus root 6. But in the case a minus b, a plus b, that means a square minus b square. Students, what happened? Root will be cancelled by square. So required solution, in the place of the denominator 7 minus 6, 7 minus 6 will be equal of 1. 1 as a denominator may be right or not. So required solution will be equal of root 7 plus root 6. I hope student you getting second part of question number first. Now we taking question number third. 1 upon में root 5 plus root 2. Question number third, 1 by root 5 plus root 2. Root 5 and root 2 both are irrational number. both are irrational number, and the demand of question is ROD. So 1 by root 5 plus root 2 multiply root 5 minus root 2 by root 5 minus root 2. Numerator will be multiplied by numerator and denominator will be multiplied by denominator. 1 into root 5 minus root 2 and as a denominator root 5 plus root 2 root 5 minus root 2. Student, in the case of the numerator, 1 multiplied by quantity, 1 multiplied by quantity will be equal of quantity. As a result, root 5, as a result, root 5 minus root 2. But in the case of the denominator, we use the identity a minus b, a plus b will be equal of a square minus b square, where a will be equal of root 5 and b will be equal of root 2, such that root 5 square minus root 2 square. What is the property between the square and root? Square and root both are reciprocal to each other, both are inverse to each other. So square will be cancelled out by root. So root 5 minus root 2 by 5 minus 2. What is the answer between the 5 minus 2? 5 minus 2 will be equal of 3. That is the answer of question number 3rd. Now we are taking the last part of this question as a question number 4th. As a question number 4th, 1 by root 7 minus 2. In this question we use two parts. Root 7 and 2 both are opposite to each other. Root 7 is a irrational number but 2 is a rational number. Take something different from the another questions. ROD. Take 1 by root 7 minus 2 into root 7 plus 2 by root 7 plus 2. Numerator will be multiplied by numerator. 1 multiply root 7 plus 2 and denominator multiply by denominator. Now we taking the identity in the form a minus b, a plus b. What is the result? A square minus b square, where a will be equivalent of root 7 and b will be equal of 2, such that what happened in the numerator? 1 multiplied by any quantity will be equal of any quantity. So root 7 plus 2. But a minus b, a plus b will be equal of a square minus b square. Students, just focus on the last step. Square and root both are reciprocal to each other. So square will be cancelled out from the root. 7 will be required solution. 2 whole square. 2 into 2 will be equal of 4. As a result, we getting root 7 plus 2. 7 minus 4 will be equal of 3 as an answer. I hope student you understand the all questions of the exercise number 1.5. Thank you so much.